Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create this kind of a silver text effect in Photoshop. First, let's create our background. Then, let's type the text. I have taken the word silver. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Okay guys, back to the tutorial. Now open Layer Style menu. We are going to make the silver effect on this Layer Style menu, so watch the tutorial until the end. Choose Gradient Overlay and set a silver gradient. Next, choose Bevel and Emboss and do the following adjustments. Do the settings carefully to get the best result. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. And guys, if you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, join now using the link given in the description and pinned comment for more updates and resources. Okay guys, next let's move on to the outer glow to add a glow. Set the following effects to the text. Click OK. You can change the text and you will still have the silver text effect. Okay guys, hope you understood the process of making this silver text effect. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in another wonderful and exciting tutorial.